you very, very fast?
Whoa! Hey, Annabelle. Okay. Are you very, very fast?
Stop it! Come here.
You want me to come? Where do you want me to go?
On the earth.
Where?
The earth.
To the horse?
Kitchen.
You want me to be in the kitchen? Okay.